Good morning, students. Today we will take grammar section, and in this we will take subject verb agreement. A verb should agree with its subjects in number, as you know. If there is two or more singular subjects joined by and, take a plural verb, as Rita and her sisters are identical twins. When two subjects joined by and together express one idea, the verb is singular, as time and tide, waits for no man. Third, when two singular subjects joined by and refer to the same person or thing, the verb is in singular, as for example, my friend and guide is dead. Next is, or you will keep always in mind, if one article is used, then you will use singular. If two articles are used, then you will use plural noun. Now there are some words from with them we always use singular. Each, everyone, either, many are followed by a singular noun. Next is when two subjects are joined by either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the second subject in number and person. Second, either E or I am to blame. I के according लगाएंगे which is nearest to the verb. Neither food nor water was found. When the subject connected by nor are of different numbers, the verb should be plural and the plural subject should be placed near the verb. When two subjects are joined by as well as with, the verb agrees with the first in number and the person, as for example, Manish as well as you is. Manish के according is. Next is, if two singular nouns joined by and are preceded by each or every. Preceded पहले आते हैं. Every man and woman works for the good. Then singular verb is used. Works. Each and every child has completed his work. Next, when two subjects are joined by not only but also, the verb agrees in the second subject in number and person. Not only Darshan, but I am also responsible for the loss. A collective noun takes a singular verb. Collective noun, as for example, always takes singular. The jury is finally complete. But when the number of class are considered individually, the verb must be plural. The following noun, though similar in form, take a plural verb: cattle, folk, gentry, majority, mankind, nobility, peasant. Always we will use plural verb. The following nouns through noun which are plural in form but singular in meaning, take singular verb, as for example, economics, mathematics, ethics, gallows, innings, news, physics, statistics, summons, wages, etc. Now next is, the following nouns are plural and have no singular form. Always in plural: clothes, breeches, band, socks, trousers, diseases, mumps, measles, games, billiard, droughts, scissors, tongs, pincers, below. As for example, my trousers need darning at the knees. When a plural noun denotes a quality or quantity considered as a whole, the singular verb is used. 5,000 rupees is not a salary. When the subject is a relative pronoun, the verb must agree with the noun for which it is used. Nikhil is one of the brilliant boys who have not taken the examination. In this relative pronoun, the verb must agree with the noun. Nikhil के according. Rekha is one of the. This is the only one of the poem that is worth reading. So students, you are able to understand what is the use, how we will use verb.